Hi dear friends, today I'll show you a wonderful do-it-yourself recipe to polish wooden surfaces. You can easily find all ingredients around your home, mix them and apply. The result will be beyond the most your brave expectation.
Today, at last, I'll take care of my dining table. I'll polish it with do-it-yourself product. Why do-it-yourself recipe? First, ingredients are always on hand. Second, they are not costly. And lastly, they are not dangerous or harmful. So, mix 1 part of vinegar with 3 parts of olive oil in spray bottle. Shake well and apply to the table. Spray the table well. Then take paper towel and spread the mixture onto surface. Vinegar helps to remove stains when olive oil makes the table shiny. Remove excess of oil from the table surface using clean paper towel. After extra oil is removed, let the table stay for 10-15 minutes to saturate the oil well. This method really impressed me. The table is stainless and shiny. Provide this procedure not very often. The best time for it is on vacation when you expect guests. All procedures are done. It's time to lay the table. Indescribable beauty.
И в конце одна маленькая деталь. Этот метод не подходит для неполированного дерева, поэтому употребляйте его только на полированных деревянных поверхностях.